welcome to Math and Media. My name is McClean. Here at Math and Media, we show you that math and media is in use by everyone, everywhere, and all the time. As we always say, there are broad ranges of how math and media are related. Today, we're going to talk about Fibonacci numbers, the golden ratio, and aesthetically pleasing design. So, who was Fibonacci? I'll give you the quick version. He was a very smart guy who had this problem with rabbits that he wanted to solve. From this, he developed a series of numbers based on a ratio. This series of numbers came to be known as the Fibonacci numbers. To get them, you start with 0, add 1, and from then on you follow a simple rule. Add the previous two numbers to obtain the next number. To get the ratio, you simply draw a line and divide that line in such a way that the relationship between the first and the second line is a little more than half of the first. Then you will simply divide the length of the longest side by the shortest side, and you'll have your ratio 1 to 1.618. This is known as the golden ratio. Let's say your longest side is 8 and your shortest side is 5. Then when you divide those two numbers, you get the golden ratio. Fibonacci saw this in use by everyone, everywhere, and all the time. He saw it in nature, in art, in architecture. Fibonacci found that this was a more aesthetically pleasing design to the eye. Isn't that what every designer wants? Aesthetically pleasing designs? Ask yourself, do you decorate or communicate? Are you inspired by genre or inspired by your total environment? It's the difference between being a good designer who uses good principles to redesign or a great designer who understands how to use content for focus. Some designers use 2/3 to 1/3 white space to content ratio. I think that sometimes that's a bit overcrowding. So on your next job, try something different. Put those math skills to work. Use the golden ratio to make more aesthetically pleasing designs. The ratio is simple. It's easy to use, but there's a lot that goes into it. Try something other than symmetrical or asymmetrical designs. Put those math skills to work to improve your proportion and scale. The golden rule will greatly improve your designs. This has been Math and Media, where we show you that math and media are in use by everyone, everywhere, and all the time.